They will confess their feelings after listening to this. This is not random. This is not a coincidence. You didn't land here by accident. This moment found you because something is ready to break open. Something that's been held back. Something that's been sitting just beneath the surface for a long time. The confession you thought would never come is already forming. You can feel it. You felt it for a while. Even when silence was loud, even when nothing was said, even when you told yourself to let it go and move on, there was a part of you that never fully closed the door, and that part was right. Silence was never absence. Silence was pressure. Silence was emotion without an outlet. Silence was someone feeling more than they knew how to admit. They never forgot you, not once, not during the distance, not during the quiet, even when it looked like they were fine without you. That was surface level. That was protection. Underneath, you stayed. You stayed in their thoughts. You stayed in their memories. You stayed in the moments they couldn't explain. Late nights, feelings that came out of nowhere. They tried to rationalize it away. They tried to downplay it. They tried to convince themselves it wasn't that deep. But it was, and it still is. They weren't struggling with love. They were struggling with what love demanded from them. Admitting how they feel means admitting they cared. Admitting they still care. Admitting they might lose you if they say nothing. The truth was heavier than silence for a long time. But something shifted. Holding it in hurts more than letting it out. The resistance is weakening. The walls are lowering. The internal debate is getting louder. You didn't force this. You didn't chase it. You didn't demand clarity. You changed. You stopped reaching for answers. You stopped chasing validation. You stopped trying to prove your worth. You turned inward. You steadied yourself. You softened without collapsing. Your energy shifted from please choose me to I am whole. And that shift is everything. They feel it. They feel that you are no longer grasping. They feel that you are no longer waiting in desperation. They feel your calm, your groundedness, your self-respect, and that forces truth to surface. They can't hide from it anymore. The confession isn't coming because you waited long enough. It is coming because you became someone who no longer needs it to feel complete. That's power. The words may not come the way you imagined. They might be simple. They might be awkward. They might even surprise you, but they will be real. I have been thinking about you. I never said what I should have. I didn't know how to say it then, but I still feel something. I never stopped. And when you hear it, you will feel the weight behind it. This is something they have rehearsed internally over and over again. You were never forgotten. Not during silence, not during distance, not during confusion. What you shared wasn't imagined. It wasn't one-sided. It wasn't misread. It was recognition. And recognition doesn't fade. It waits. You didn't imagine the connection. You trusted your intuition. And now reality is catching up to what you already knew. This isn't about fixing the past. This isn't about reopening old wounds. This isn't about rushing into anything. This is about truth finally being spoken. And you don't have to rush either. When the confession comes, you stay grounded. You breathe. You let it land. You don't scramble for the perfect response. You don't abandon yourself to hold the moment. You receive it calmly. That's how you keep your power. You are not here to convince anyone. You are here to choose. You are here to decide what aligns with you now. You are not the same person you were before. You are steadier, clearer, centered. This isn't a return to the old dynamic. The old dynamic was hesitation and unspoken feelings. This is something new, built on awareness, built on honesty. They are not coming back confused. They are coming back aware of what they feel, aware of what they risk, aware of what they want. And you meet them as someone who no longer settles. If you ever wondered whether hoping was naive, whether waiting was a mistake, whether letting go would have been easier, hear this clearly. You were not waiting, you were becoming. And this confession isn't proof you were right to hope. It's proof that timing matters. And the timing is right now. You didn't imagine this connection. You didn't misread it. You weren't foolish for believing in it. You were intuitive. And now the words you thought you'd never hear are already moving towards you. Stay open. Stay grounded. Stay exactly where you are. Because the truth always rises. And it's rising now. Before they speak, they feel it. Before they confess, they rehearse it. In their mind, in their chest, in the quiet moments they can't escape anymore. Silence starts to feel dangerous because silence now feels like loss. They realize that if they don't speak, they risk losing you for real. And the realization changes everything. So the truth rises, not dramatically, inevitably. You feel the shifts before the message comes. A subtle calm, a sense of resolution. Your body knows before your mind does. That is alignment. You are no longer vibrating uncertainty. You are steady, grounded, clear, and clarity pulls honesty out of people. They speak. Not messy, not careless, deliberate, weighted, honest. You listen. You stay present. Presence is magnetic. Presence is stabilizing. Presence sets the tone for what comes next. You don't cling. You don't overgive. You don't lose yourself. You meet the moment as someone who knows their worth, as someone who chooses consciously. That's why this moment matters. Not because they finally confessed, but because you are ready to receive without losing yourself. You are no longer in anticipation. You are in reception. And what is meant to be spoken cannot stay silent any longer. It's already forming. It's already moving. It's already on its way to you. Type, they confess their feelings to me to affirm this energy. And if you want your special person to be drawn to you even faster, I can help you. All you need is my free obsession spell. To get my free obsession spell, just visit joybyjanell.com, click the link in the description box below, or click the link in my bio. Subscribe if this video brought you comfort. I am sending you so much love and light. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will connect with you again in the next video.